In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert multiple single-line text objects to multi-line MText in AutoCAD. This is a quick way to tidy up notes that were created as separate single-line entries and turn them into one clean, editable MText object with proper wrapping and formatting. It makes editing faster and keeps your drawings consistent. Start by selecting all the single-line text, also known as dtext, that you want to convert. You can click each piece individually or drag a selection window around them. A regular window selects objects fully inside the box. A crossing window captures anything the box touches. If you accidentally grab something you don't need, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. Try to include only dtext objects, not existing MText, so the conversion is clean and predictable. With your text selected, go to the command line, type txt2 mtxt and press enter. This command is designed specifically to merge multiple single-line text items into one MText object you can edit like a paragraph. If you don't see the command, make sure the feature is available in your AutoCAD setup. AutoCAD will now display conversion options. Take a moment here. These settings control how your new MText will look. You can adjust spacing to control the gaps between lines, and you can specify the order the lines will be merged in, such as top to bottom or left to right. This is helpful if your notes were arranged in columns or placed out of sequence. You may also see options related to paragraph breaks, text style, justification, and line spacing. Choose the settings that best match how you want the final text to appear. If you're unsure, the default values usually produce good results, and you can always edit the MText afterward. When you're satisfied with the options, press enter again to confirm the conversion. AutoCAD will process your selection and merge the chosen dtext objects into a single MText object. At this point, your text is unified and ready to edit. Double-click it to open the MText editor, where you can change fonts, apply formatting, and set the width so long lines wrap automatically. You can also use grips to adjust the boundary and let the text reflow. If anything doesn't look right, press undo and try again with different conversion options or a more precise selection. That's it. Your scattered single-line notes are now one clean MText block, easy to manage and edit across your drawing.